Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 6 from the practice exam 1, which covers chapter 1, 2 and 3. Two factory plants are making TV panels. Yesterday, plant A produced twice as many panels as plant B. 2% of the panels from plant A and 3% of the panels from plant B were defective. How many panels did plant B produce? If the plants together produced 420 defective panels. We'll create a table given this information. It is given in the problem, plant A produced twice as many panels as plant B. We do not know how many plant B produced, so we'll call it number of items or number of panels produced by plant B as X. Then plant A would produce as twice as many as plant B, so it would be 2x. So we are assuming plant B produced X number of panels and plant A produced 2x number of panels because it's stated in the problem plant A produced twice as many as plant B. It's also given that 2% of panels from plant A and 3% of the panels from plant B were defective. So I've created a column for percentage defective. So 2% is defective from plant A, which converted to decimal is 2 over 100, which is 0.02. Same way, 3% defective items from plant B, which converted to decimal is 0.03. So we have created a table like this. The defective panels from plant A would be the columns for panels multiplied by the percentage defective. So it is 2x times 0.02, which is our last column, which is defective panels. Plant B, same way, x times 0.03. So that will be the number of defective panels produced by plant B. It's also given that the two plants together produced 420 defective items. The total number of defective panels is 420, which is the number of defective panels from plant A added to number of defective panels from plant B will be 420. Now we can create an equation. We can set up an equation now as follows. So 0.02 times 2x plus 0.03 times x equal to 420. So we'll set that up. 0.02 times 2x plus, this is the defective panels from plant A. Then we are going to add the number of defective panels from plant B, which is 0.03 times x equal to 420. We're pretty much adding this and this to give this 420. So if you multiply 0.02 with 2, that will be 0.04x plus 0.3x equal to 420, which will be 0.07x equal to 420. If you divide both sides by 0.07 on either side, x would be equal to 6,000. But x in the context of the problem is the number of panels produced by plant B. So we say in words, the number of panels produced by plant, the number of panels produced by plant B is 6,000. So in a word problem, it's better to leave the answer in terms of words. But if the question was, what is the number of panels produced by plant A, then you have to give the value for 2 times x, which would have been 12,000. So in this problem, the question is being asked, how many panels did plant B produce? So our answer is, the number of panels produced by plant B is 6,000. Hope this video helps.